Hey cookers! Today's bite-sized cook is French toast. Karin was in the mood for French toast and I thought, why not? I hadn't cooked it in a while. There's just something special about that warm, flavorful bread served with butter, syrup, and that ever-present bacon to make for a great, wonderful way to start the day. Of course, I start with some bacon, like who wouldn't? And then I make my French toast batter by adding a cup of milk, 2 eggs, and a tablespoon of cinnamon to a bowl. Mix it up real good. Then take some of that flavorful bacon grease and coat your hot griddle with it. Place a piece of bread in the French toast batter. Let it soak up the batter for a couple of seconds, then turn it over and soak it up for a couple more seconds. Place that beautiful bread with those highlights of cinnamon right on that hot griddle. Let it cook till it's golden brown. It only takes a couple of minutes. Then turn it over, cook the other side till it's golden brown. Serve that with wonderful bacon. Top it with butter and syrup, or you could use some jelly if you like, or bananas. Ah, it's like heaven on a plate. Have fun!